mountain, sipping my cup, looking up at the great big blue, trying to imagine you're out there somewhere thinking about me too. Staring at the same damn sunset, burning up the skyline, regret, working on my heart like you said I should really let you go. So lately I've been giving myself forgiveness, living in the moment. At the end of the day, what's done is done. Give life all you got, 'cause you only get one. Breaking down, thinking about what was, getting back to the old me. I'm doing good, pretty good, but sometimes I catch myself wondering if you were someone else, staring at the same day.